Airplane mode glitch not working in Monopoly Go. How to fix the no internet pop-up. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you exactly how to fix the no internet pop-up and use airplane mode glitch. A recent update made the airplane mode glitch way less effective. It seems like Monopoly Go wants us to be connected all the time. So, to fix the no internet pop-up and use airplane mode glitch, we need to use VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, acts like a middleman between you and the internet. It encrypts your data and hides your real location. After testing several VPNs, we discovered that using one lets you get way more rolls out of the airplane mode trick. Before, we might only get 2 rolls. Now with this VPN, we're talking 10 plus rolls per reset. Now open Google Play Store on your phone and search for VPN. We'll be using a free VPN called Secure VPN. Download and open it. The app might try to sell you a subscription. Just tap on the X in the top right corner to use the free version. Look for the Earth globe icon button in the top right corner and tap it. Here you will find the available servers. Choose the fastest one. Allow the VPN to configure your internet settings. Now you're connected. You should see a little VPN symbol in your phone's notification bar. This means you're good to go. Now let's get back to Monopoly Go. Turn on airplane mode and see how many rolls you get. Remember, you can still check the VPN connection with that little symbol in your phone's notification bar. Now let's start rolling, and we will see how many rolls we will get. You'll see that we got a whopping 16 rolls before the no internet pop-up appeared. That's way better than before. This VPN trick should help you get back to enjoying Monopoly. Go without constant interruptions. Let me know in the comments if it works for you. And this is how to fix the no internet pop-up and use airplane mode glitch. If you have any questions about airplane mode on Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.